Stuart cut.
Just do a happy little trim around there.
Shape of a banana.
What are you doing?
Okay, welcome back. This is the Mazda track build part 3, and tonight we are. Owen?
Oh yes, hi. So tonight on the list at the top 10, we've fitted a set of wheels tonight. Stu got. I can make 7 more up. Okay.
4.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So anyway, Stu managed to get some wheels for 30 quid. Don't know how he managed that, but he's managed to do it. So we're going to put those on. We've got new tyres for it. What tyres are these? Goodyear Eagle F1s.
Actually not bad tyres.
So yeah, good tyre.
And free.
Buckshee as well. So we're going to do that. We've also got somehow these guys have managed to procure a body kit.
Yeah, so big thank you to BRC Restorations. He's been following us and following the development of the build, and he said as amazing as the cheap arches that Stu and Owen installed on our last video looked, he's actually got a rocket bunny kit which is very trendy and very cool and should make this thing look amazing. So we're going to take off the existing arches, put on the new arches, and
here we go. Oh yeah, apparently they picked up a mystery prize which I've yet to see, so I don't know what is actually going to happen.
which was also free.
Yeah, also free. So procurement is actually top drawer, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Okay. Mystery prize. Go get it, and I'll cover Owen's eyes.
Oh yeah.
Go on, you miserable. I can't say that. I am recording this now.
Or something.
I wasn't really about to say something awful.
Off you go.
Mystery prize.
I think it's going to be something aesthetic. Is it something just for the look of it? I don't know, is it?
Couldn't possibly say.
Because it's not going to be engine related, because you guys wouldn't know what you're buying, let's face that.
Brutal. Absolutely brutal.
And honest. So what else could it be?
All right, cover your eyes because I think it might be coming in.
It's going to be a seat or a steering wheel or some horrible car.
Are you ready?
Thing.
Are you ready? Okay, open your eyes.
I told you it'd be a seat, didn't I? I said it'd be a seat.
Look at that!
Oh, that is retro. Oh, do you know what? It's dead comfortable, you know? Look at this.
Would you look at that?
It's actually got some comfort to it though.
I want to see a date on it. I bet that is super old.
But it was free.
Yeah, but if it's free, even better. I said it was either going to be a steering wheel or something to do with a carpet or a seat.
Nick key.
It's a seat. There we go.
That's not very nice, is it?
Good. Yeah.
He wasn't using his kind hands there, was he?
You recording?
Yeah, that's why I've recorded, because there's manual labour now.
I hate doing tyres. I absolutely hate doing tyres.
When was the last time you done them?
I reckon it was a year ago I did a tyre. I'm not balancing them, they're going on, that's it. They're track tyres, they're not getting balanced. Well, I should probably balance them.
Well, it's only us that are going to die.
I know, yeah, at the end of the day, we're expendable, right? So,
No, here he comes.
here he comes, all trouble. Do I have to do everything around here?
I can just tell me what bit and I can do it.
Right, it's Torx 20.
That was just 2 words put together.
Yeah, because that's what it is.
Torx 20?
Torx 20. I'll do it, alright?
I've got the, what he said. Well, it's going to have to go there, mate, unfortunately. I've looked at all the options for at least 10 seconds now, and I'm just going to send it.
What's that? Measure twice, cut once.
I think
not in
just
this case.
cut. Just cut and hope for the best.
Self-tapper and stick.
This is already some interesting fitment going on.
Yeah, well, it's not by choice.
Oh, and we're in. Go on. Oh, yeah!
That is honestly, no word of a lie, that's worse than the other arches.
But they look better.
Do they? Do they actually look better?
I think it looks better.
I don't think they do.
I think it does.
What are you actually doing?
Well,
No.
the body kit
No.
is.
We're not cutting there, are we?
Yeah.
Why are we cutting there?
Because
that's
the door
not even
out with
that's not even in line
Yes,
with
it
the door.
is. It is.
Mate, look, you can see that on the camera. That is not in line.
Look. Oh yeah, I want to let Stu have a go. Yeah, give me the camera. Let's have a look at this.
Don't you ruin my happy little clouds now.
See? Yeah.
That's all you have to do.
Easy. Just be careful.
Well, no, it's his bloody lines, isn't it? I told you it was miles off.
You cut the car. Why are you looking to me like it's my
Because you lined up your position. I told you it was
I
miles
said
off.
take it off and cut it like a proper person.
You ape. What have you done? Hey! Round of applause, round of applause.
Better for
I
it.
didn't get the door.
Oh no,
Didn't get the door, but you got the 3/4 instead.
We need to cut that bit off as well.
Go for it, dude. Just get busy.
I'm only doing it
just
because
follow my lines.
I followed your lines, and look where it sent me.
Yeah, but I was hoping
I followed your lines.
I wanted to cut off the car. I didn't know you were going to Neanderthal it.
Well, it's fucking easier, isn't it? The car's a shit.
Oh, mate.
Stuart, cut.
Just do a happy little trim around there.
Shape of banana.
Why are you doing that?
Yeah, that's it.
No, that looks worse.
Oh, doesn't it?
Right.
Okay, well that's good. Look, can you open the door? That's the main thing, right? Oh, right, well done, muscles. Well done.
Most people can open the door. If they haven't got the muscle of an 8-year-old.
It's one lever. That's it.
You had one job.
Okay, right.
Welcome to Sky Arts Masterclass.
This is Sky Art. Look, and we're just gonna pop a little earring here. Just a little bit, and maybe something just to keep everyone in the continent happy.
Whoa! What's happening, Stu? What's happening with your face? Why do you look so upset? What's happened? Oh, you're a fuck. For the people at home, that there should be more on the end of that.
Something belongs on that.
Where would that be?
Well, I was saying that
Well,
it
let's
don't
just-
come off.
Let's just have
What have you done? What have you done? Why are you unsupervised doing things? Don't even answer me. Why is he unsupervised doing things? Well, that's that then, isn't it?
I'll get another one.
Yeah, but
I'll
it's
send
not
you a bill.
coming off.
We'll
It's
come
not
back to you
coming
when
off.
he's stopped being a dick.
No, it's not coming off.
The new tyres. Eagle F1s.
Well,
New to us.
yes,
Donated by.
Matt.
Lovely, thank you, Matt.
Hello, Jackie. No, Jackie. We'll get it done.
All right.
Looks good, doesn't it? This side, it's the new arches that look poor.
Well,
What did I tell you about zooming on that?
yeah, I know, but I really wanted the viewers at home to realise just how bad the arches are.
Just move closer.
I can't,
Why not?
because I don't like to get that close to you. And moving on. Owen
Right, boys.
Forrest, are you on the phone again? What's this?
No, hi, hey, Tim.
Hi,
I'm
yeah,
great.
get off your phone.
Sorry, so what's going on?
Well,
What's the latest?
unfortunately, he's been left alone, but he's actually done a quite good job for once.
Well, it's 4 bolts.
Well,
Yeah, well, I still screwed that up the other side, didn't I?
That's the
well,
idea.
I sure screwed that up.
That's the idea of a bolt, isn't it? You screw it up.
You are useless.
No, I'm special. My mummy says so.
Right, of course. Are you okay there? Are you struggling?
No.
On his phone again. Are you part of this team, Forrest?
I am. Well, what can I do? We've got one guy messing that
He's
up.
annoyed because he had to do tyres. Because
I'll
he
do the short
can't win a
straw.
game. A child's game at that. May I know?
Next.
How bad's it look?
It's not going to matter. It's a track car. What's going to matter? It's not. Look at the rest of it. We've got to take everything into account. I mean, that's.
Well, what angle?
Oh, let me get my protractor out.
All you're going to see is back end.
Stuart drives from here to Brands Hatch. Stuart buys 4 donuts at Detling and another 4 in Broadstairs. How many does Stuart have? Diabetes.
I think you're cutting off quite a lot that doesn't need to be cut off.
Hey, we're all about function here. Hi, join me back to Owen's corner of the car, where we're putting. Well, I've just put the wheel arch on. I might have scuffed the paint that we put on there a little bit. But,
What?
well, you know, it's damp still. But I was eager. I like to see results. So
So it's on. Look at it. Check it out.
Right, so what else we got to do?
So we're just putting this arch on the back.
Oh, hang on, what's happened there? Pull your... What's that? It's clubs on it.
Here we go. Oh, he's gone gloveless now.
It's a glove.
Look how wobbly it is.
Oh no! Oh no!
That's a lot of effort. Here we go.
Here we go.
Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. That's it. Feels you again.
What happened to your glove?
It's just eating it.
Left a finger behind. So, well, we've spent our evening, and we didn't get.
How long have we been?
2 hours 20 minutes. We got like 80%, I would say, done of what we wanted to do. I wanted to fit the belt, the auxiliary belt, which I thought we had on the shelf. We didn't, so we bypassed that. But the arches actually took a bit longer than we thought it was going to.
Slightly more fabrication involved, wasn't
yeah, a bit of fettling. I mean, this is by no means like a top tier car. We were just getting the arches to fit so that we can get to space the wheels out and whatnot. And they were free, so thanks again to the chap that bought them for it, well, gave them to us.
It's just basically seeing how much of a budget we can do this on.
Yeah. So what are we up to at the moment?
We worked out a minute ago. It's £81.
80 quid. All right, fair enough. We were lucky enough to be gifted the car. So otherwise you would have to buy a car and add that into the equation. But so far we're under 100 quid. We've serviced it. We've put a set of wheels on it. We've had a set of tyres, Goodyear Eagle F1s, a set of arches, the seat, which actually we really want to identify how old the seat is. So if there's anyone out there.
We'll put some close-ups of the seat on there.
Yeah.
And it will be interested to see if anyone.
What era has that come from?
Yes. What area has that come from?
Yeah.
And if you know that, what era did it come from?
I reckon 80s, 1980s, late 80s, but
I'm digging it.
Yeah.
I think it's great.
Oh yeah.
And I'm a comfortable size.
Cuddly,
and
cuddly.
I'm still between,
I haven't tried it.
Well, please.
No.
If there's ever a time to try it.
Oh yes, please.
It's not that late. We can still get an ambulance out. Here we go.
The moment of truth.
Can't wait for this. I'll hold it back.
Oh, that looks snug.
Are you in?
You ain't getting out.
Most of you is in.
I am not getting out of it. No.
Yeah.
So that sort of concludes really part 3 of our track builds.
Yeah.
Part 4, we are going to fit that belt.
100%.
We're going to also try and get some spaces, because as you can see, it kind of looks like it's going for the Dakar Rally at the moment. So we're going to try and space the wheels out just so it doesn't look as silly. I know Owen was saying like it's just a bit of fun, but yeah, we're going to try and make it look the best we can. And we've penciled in a date for, I think we're about a month away, possibly just under a month away from our first track day.
Track day at Brands, yeah. So that's the target. Yeah. It's just a bit of fun. The MX-5s are a great handling little car. They're not super powerful, so we're not expecting to get into loads of trouble with it.
But as ever, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
Share the page. Take care. Ow! So aggressive.
Dying to do.